Greenheck. Building value in air.
Hi, and welcome to a technical detail on Greenheck's standard touchscreen. Today what we're going to be doing is turning on the standard touchscreen and finding some fans on the network. We'll also go through the menus and controlling options. We'll start by turning it on. On initial power up, the controller will search for any fans that are connected within the network. We can see this is a 3-fan controller. We found the fan on the desk behind us. We can start by naming the fan, then setting up the direction of rotation, blade count, fan diameter, and toggling whether or not we have a light. After advancing, we'll be given the option to set up a passcode. If you set it up, make sure to write it down. There is not a backdoor way to enter. You have to have that passcode to enter. To control the fan, we tap our fan control icon and can go into the individual fan. Up and down will increase and decrease speed, and the power button will toggle it on and off. This fan is set to 20%, and it will retain that 20% on startup and shutdown. Our global settings menu will let us alter the display, changing the brightness or the timeout. Manufacturer settings, contact your customer support team if you need to alter manufacturer settings. And also let us see our firmware version. Inside our fan settings menu, we can change the name, the direction of rotation, and the model information. This is the same as when we set up the fan initially. Finally, we can access our fan information. This will let us see some drive statistics, as well as pull up any error codes. Right now we're showing that there's a Modbus timeout. This is because we've been turning the power on and off on the fan that's sitting on our desk. But in the real world, that would be indicative of some sort of communication error. Finally, at any of these screens, if we had a bunch of fans on the network, we could turn all of them on or off to their set point by toggling the global power. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us and our customer support team.